this video we will discuss how to easily find 7's complement, 8's complement, 9's complement, 10's complement and 15's and 16's complement. So if we have to find 7's complement of 4015, so just subtract 77777 from 4015. So if you subtract it, you will get 3762 as the answer. So this is the 7's complement of 4015. Now if we have to find the 8's complement of 4015, so we have already found 7's complement of 4015. So 8's complement will be the 7's complement plus 1. So 4015 7's complement is 3762. Now you just add 1. So the 8's complement of 4015 will be 3763. Because when you add 1 to this, then you get 3763 as the answer. Now we have to find 9's complement of 4526.075. So it's the same method. Subtract 9999.999 from 4526 from 0.075. So this will be 429.5473.924. This is the 9's complement of 4526.075. So we have to just subtract it. Now we have to find 10's complement of 1056.074. So the trick is first find 9's complement. So 9999.999 minus 1056.074. So we will get the 9's complement. So the 9's complement will be 529.3498. 8943.925. Now just add 1 to it. This is the 9's complement of 1056.074, but we have to find the 10's complement. So if we add 1 to the 9's complement, we will get the 10's complement. So the 10's complement will be 8943.926. So this is the 10's complement. Now we have to find the 15th and 16th complement of F20.3AE. So just subtract F and from F20.3AE. We have to use as many digits as there are here. So there are 6 bits. So I have written F 6 times. There were 7 bits. So I wrote 9 7 times. So this way we have to do it. So F from E will get 1. F from A we will get 5. F from 3 we will get C point F. F from 2 we will get D, and F minus F we will get 0. So the 15th complement is 0DF.C51. This is the 15th complement. This is the 15th complement. This is the 15th complement of F20.3AE. Now we have to find the 16th complement. So just add 1 to get the 16th complement. So the 16th complement will be, here we have to add 1. So point C520DF. This is the 16th complement of F20.3AE. 0DF 0DF.C52D. Just we have to add 1 to the least significant bit. So just add 1 to this one, the least significant bit. Here we added the 1 to this least significant bit 5. Here we added 1 to the least significant bit, which was 2 in this case. So this is how you do it. For 8's complement, first find the 7's complement, then add 1. For 10's complement, first find the 9's complement, then add 1. For 16's complement, first find the 15's complement, then add 1. So the 7's complement of 4015 is 3762, 8's complement of 4015 is 3763, 9's complement of 4526.075 is 5473.924, 10's complement of 1056.074 is 8943.926, and 15's complement of F20.3AE is 0DF.C51, and if we add 1 to this, then we will get the 16's complement, which is 0DF.C52. This is the 16's complement. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.